Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings from Klein Tools, the Klein Tools 56331 50-foot electrical fish tape. If you're in the market for a reliable tool for wire runs, you've come to the right place. Let's break down why this is a must-have for your toolkit. Starting off with its design, this fish tape features a durable 1x8-inch wide steel construction. It strikes a perfect balance between firmness and flexibility, making it ideal for pulling wires in various applications from light commercial to residential setups. What really sets this apart is the optimized housing and handle. Klein Tools has engineered this tape with slip-resistant geometry, which significantly reduces effort during payout. Whether you're dealing with conduit runs or ceiling installations, the multi-position handle ensures a steady grip and precise control. Another standout feature is the descending laser-etched markings in 1-foot increments. These markings are a game-changer, allowing you to accurately measure conduit runs and keep track of the tape length, minimizing guesswork and maximizing efficiency. Now, let's talk about usability. Klein Tools has designed this fish tape with ease of use in mind. The polypropylene case and handle not only provide high impact resistance but also ensure durability for long-term use. Plus, the easy-to-read distance marks further enhance usability, making this tool a favorite among electricians and DIY enthusiasts alike. To sum it up, the Klein Tools 56331 50-foot electrical fish tape is not just a tool, it's an investment in efficiency and reliability. Whether you're a professional electrician or a weekend warrior tackling home projects, this tape delivers on all fronts. That's all for today's review on the Klein Tools 56331 50-foot electrical fish tape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy wiring!